been since we got here, I think. The waves are just kind of normally.
I agree.
So today we're doing a little test run for our tour tomorrow, because we have to meet up at the tour spot at 8:30 in the morning. So we're gonna do like a dry run and see how long it takes to get there. And then
Tomorrow it'll be real wet.
yeah, it'll be a real wet run. We're doing a tour tomorrow, so it'll be very wet. Woo, getting sprinkled. Yeah, this is a very loud street. Pretty little mural. This is the place that we ate last night that was like, well, I wouldn't really call it magic.
Yeah, pretty cool area.
Everything here is really cool, but everything here is really close to a loud roadway.
And people trying to harangue you into tours and such.
Yeah.
Not as bad as Egypt, obviously.
No. Look at this cool wall.
Ah, cannons poking out.
Cool flags. Oh man, this is such a cool place. I'm glistening and sweaty and stuff. But that's to be expected from a pasty white chick. Cool over there too. The water, the palm trees and stuff. This is really neat. Apparently this is the part of town though with the most pickpockets, so you gotta be pretty careful with that sort of thing. But yeah, look at that. It looks so cool. I like it. Alright, let's go through in the shade. What do you think? It's hot. It's a hot time. Ready? Let's do this. Cool. It's a pretty cool little square. The goal for the rest of today is just wander around and see cool stuff until we melt and have to go to a pool or the ocean. That might be pretty soon, honestly. Oh, goodbye, bird. How are you enjoying your clock tower amber?
That's good.
Drink it. Prove it.
Cheers to you.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go look at some stuff. That's pretty cool looking. Yeah.
Míranos con compasión y no nos dejes, Madre mía, y regálanos tu santa bendición, que sea la del Padre, la del Hijo y la del Espíritu Santo. Amén.
Seem to be some sort of active prayers going on currently, so don't want to be too intrusive, you know what I mean? But that altar behind is so beautiful, eh? I love the beautiful wooden roof too, eh? The carvings along the side. Beautiful park, but there's a lot going on here, man.
Yeah.
It's kind of chaotic. Where to next, you think? Wherever Holly takes you?
Yeah.
Mighty looking doorway. I think it's a museum. Yeah, it is. Of the Inquisition. Oh, I didn't expect that. Pretty colors. Lots of plants. That's where it's at. Says that this part of the wall was built in 1586 and it's got some baskets full of stone. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but cool. Hey, there's that other church.
Yeah.
You're trying to get to. Should we go there first or should we go up the wall first? I don't know. That gun there looks more modern day than the Inquisition, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not like the cannons we saw along the wall, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Interesting.
I suspect it's still old, but how old?
Yeah.
Is it 30s?
I don't know.
Kind of looks like the Hulk.
The Hulk.
Yeah, like a short-legged bishop is helping a young Hulk
Yeah.
discover.
To me, it feels a little bit like Spanish dude is trying to make slavery better.
Oh, yikes.
Yeah. Look at these little guys. They're pretty cool. Hey. Doo-doo-doo. That's a neat square. You gonna show them what you just bought?
Sure. Yeah, I'll probably wear it, but I thought the plastic bag would come in handy because
Yeah.
stuff will get wet before we get back. It's
Yeah.
easier to put that in plastic to not wreck the rest of your stuff.
You know what's been really handy on this trip is that numbers, because we don't know any Spanish, numbers seem very similar to French. So she said 30 and I'm like, oh, I know what that means. I mean, she said it in French or Spanish, but it sounded like French. Anyway, beautiful. Love the blue with the white is so pretty. And apparently this one's for rent, so maybe we should rent that.
I took the picture together.
Oh. Yeah, there's a mime back there. The girl was modeling for a picture and he was like pulling out his little mime boobs to mime. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I hope so too.
We'll pay him to be an extra in there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, want it? That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a beautiful street.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice street with a breeze.
Yeah. Okay.
Game on. No. Hello, cab. No, we don't want a cab. Game on. Look at the beautiful, colorful earrings. There's so many options. Ooh. Think I could wear any of those? Or are they too big for me? I think.
I've always been a fan of big.
Yeah, me too. I guess this is the Naval Museum?
Yeah. Coca-Cola aquí. Agüita fría.
Yeah.
So we'll get here.
Up the wall we go. Ready?
Sure, man.
At least there's a nice breeze. Otherwise it would be absolutely torturous and a lot like Egypt. Ready?
Yeah, sure in Egypt, huh?
No, it's not Egypt hot. Nothing is Egypt hot except for Egypt in the hot season. Oh, beautiful breeze. You might notice these like colorfully decorated buses. I call them chicken buses. I don't know if that's a real term or if there's some term like it and I'm messing it up, but last night there was like 9 of them outside our bedroom window and they all had their music on full and they had like parties going on them. Much more subdued during the day. This place though, look at this place. This is pretty freaking cool, man. Wow. What a view.
Somewhere is
Is this summer?
Yeah.
We are south of the equator, so I guess it is opposite time here.
Regardless, this is summer weather.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, you're right. That would be a very good photo. You getting the perfect tourist shot? Heck yeah, look at that. It's a beauty. The roofs are really cool here. Oh, it's beautiful. We love city walls. We walked along the city walls in Chester, in York, and where else have we walked on city walls? A bunch of other places. We love city walls.
Yeah.
And
Oh, Conway.
Conway.
That's a good one.
Conway. Yeah. This is wonderful. It's breezy though, so I don't know how much of this is usable audio.
How do you feel about this?
How much more wall can I walk on and just film? All of it?
I guess so. Rooftop's a good name for that rooftop.
Yeah, that is a really good name for a rooftop. Look at all them Pidgeys. I guess I keep forgetting that that's just like the Caribbean right there. Neither of us have seen the Caribbean yet, and well, it's all here. Look at that Cara all being over there. I like your hat, dude, and your dance moves.
It's my dad's hat.
Oh yeah, it comes pre-moistened.
Yeah.
In our ongoing knocker chronicles. Look at that knocker.
Chronicles Knocker.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's the Chronicles of Knockera. Here's another little dude. Look at this one. I'm assuming this leaf lifts.
Holding a leaf.
Yeah, and I think that's what you...
Oh, definitely. You can see the hinges on his legs.
Yeah. Looks delicious. I hope you help me try it. She was walking out with it as I walked in. Like fish and plantain and rice. Should be good. Come back, sir. Hey, you. Well, would you tell them about that or no?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, before we came here, we had read that there are these scams to look out for, where rappers will rap at you and then not leave you alone and want money. and
Rappers
want
jump
more
out
money.
from everywhere in my life and try to rap at me.
And yeah, a few days ago, some rappers rapped at us aggressively. It was kind of entertaining. But having heard that, oh, it's a scam, look out, I was frightened to engage. And I felt lame doing so because I love rapping and I wanted to join in. I was like, oh, an excuse to rap? That sounds great. But hearing that, oh, they'll never leave you alone, I was like, oh, maybe I better not in case it becomes annoying. And then we kept seeing this happen again and again. And generally people never gave them any money. And they'd rap really well and put on a great show and nobody would give them any money. They'd hold up their hat when they were done and be like, oh, all right, move on. And so today I finally got to engage and I spat like 3 or 4 long verses at them and they rapped back and forth. I just gave them a little bit of change. I don't think it even equated to like a full $2. Like,
Yeah.
one something is probably what I gave them. They seemed stoked with that. They also just seemed stoked that I was engaging because
Yeah.
gave them a bit of change. So I definitely wouldn't call it a scam. I would call it people performing for change and often putting up with not getting anything
Yeah.
or, you know, performing their craft. So if you hear that that's a scam, it's probably from people who just don't like rap.
The waitress clapped for you. They were impressed.
Ours.
Yeah. Anyway, let's head back to the place.
Cool.
No, we haven't been down the street yet. We keep coming across even cooler, colorfuler things. Casa Gloria. Beautiful. Beautiful bougainvillea in contrasting colors in their little buildings. Alright. This a hole in the wall where you get wine? Sure looks like it.